Here's how to buy more credits on Audible. If you're watching this video, I'm going to take a crazy guess here and presume that you're probably an Audible member. Go you. Audible Squad. Is that a thing? It is now. And you probably pay a certain amount every month for your Audible credits. But that amount just is not enough right now. Maybe you want to listen to more books this month than usual. Hey, you're in a good position. Most people read one book a year. At the most. Self-education is one of the best things you could possibly do for yourself. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to buy more credits. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam and I want to make self-growth normal because people shouldn't have to look this information up. It should just be mainstream knowledge. If you agree, then please make sure to smash that like button. Just a few quick things first, just so you guys know this is legit information. This is straight from Audible's site. 2, this is also on your phone or computer. You can do it the same way for both. And 3, you can only do this if you are a member and have less than 2 credits left. This is a deal that is accessible to literally all Audible members. Otherwise, you can upgrade your membership. Most people have a membership where it depends on your location or country. Where I am, you pay $15 a month and you get 1 audiobook. There are 4 other memberships, and I have the top membership where I pay like $220 once a year and get 24 credits all at once, which is close to half of that per book. Whenever I run out, I just buy more credits the same way anyone would in this video. So let's get to it. First, you log into Audible on your phone or computer. Second, next to your name on the top menu, it'll say buy 3 extra credits. Click on that. And then lastly, click on the option to buy the credit bundle and you're set. You can only buy 3 at a time. I don't know why that is, but you can only buy 3 at a time. I do make these videos, but I didn't make the app. Guys, I hope this answers your question, how to buy more credits on Audible. Please let me know if you have any other questions I have not answered. I've made probably 10, 15, 20, who knows how many videos on Audible so far. This app has completely transformed my life. And I hope that it has the same impact or an even bigger impact on you guys and your friends and family and whoever else uses it that you know. But if there's anything you're having trouble with, please let me know, please, in the comments below. If there's something that I wasn't able to answer or you just can't find anywhere on the internet, give Audible's helpline a call at 1-888-283-5051. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere and I will see you then.